This is a booster pump. Hopefully we can get the most out of this fuel pump, see if we can set some records with this car too. All right, follow me. Okay, hey everybody. Jordan, House of Boost. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, what is a booster pump? What does it do and why do I need it? So I thought today, because we're putting a different booster pump in the Dark Horse, I would take a moment to show you. This is a booster pump. It's made by our friends at True. This is the Voodoo Booster. And we have a couple of features on here that we've kind of put in because we're testing it. So what a booster pump does is it takes what would normally be like a 12 volt system and applies more voltage to the fuel pump. So let's just for round numbers say that has 12 volts coming in, 15 volts coming out. The new Coyote computers, the new Gen 4 stuff, is really particular about voltage and all of that stuff. So what happens is you turn the key on, and the old booster pumps, we were trying to push to like 20, 21 volts to push that fuel pump as far as we can. The computer would wig out, throw a bunch of codes, and wouldn't let it even turn the fuel pump on in a lot of cases. So what we're testing now is a new booster pump that we kind of got together with True, and it's a variable rate. So it doesn't just go from 12 to 18, it goes from 12 and then ramps up to somewhere near 21 volts. And that way, hopefully we can get the most out of this fuel pump that we can with the stock pump, run it some E30 and see if we can set some records with this car too. But for now, we're gonna try it and see if we're either gonna go really fast or blow it up. Because if the computer freaks out mid-run, we've seen on our other car, it shuts off the fuel pump and we're scraping Dark Horse off the pavement. So I'm gonna show you real quick how we install this because it's super easy, and the Voodoo Booster is amazing. It works great and it's super easy to install. So I'd like to show you guys now how we do it. I've got the back seat kind of out of the way already. There's two clips you pop out. Back seat comes out. The new version, yep, there's no back seat. Don't mind my tools down there. Those are for a later video. This here is where the factory fuel pump controller is, down here where I'm touching. So all you do for the booster pump, unplug it. You take the new connector, plug it in, and then what I do is I turn the key on just to make sure it lights up. I had to put a voltage thing on it, but I had them put these wires on so we can measure the output voltage on it. And that's what this is for, this unit here. It's called a voltmeter. We measure the voltage coming out of the thing, if I can find the ends. So right now, 21 volts. So that's at max output, just under 21 volts. After a little bit, it should go down. I don't know if it will or not. It should. Maybe after we start the car, but it's all new. It's R&D. We're doing this for you guys. So you don't have to do it. Hold this for me. I'm gonna start the car and we'll see if it drops down from 21 volts or if it stays there, because that might be an issue. I don't even know how to work a seat. There's a button somewhere. There you go. Ready? There we go. Back down to basically back battery voltage. And it should, well, I can't floor it enough sitting here to get it to pop up, but it should, when we floor it all the way, go up to 21 volts. So it's doing what we asked it to do. Yep. Cool. Oh, I'm stuck. I need to lose weight. And that's it. That's a booster pump. These plug and play booster pumps are awesome. And people, there's a lot of people out there that talk trash on booster pumps and things because they don't think they're reliable. These things are all we've been running in most of these cars until we put the KPM fuel system in the red car. And we had no problems going 8s with this, not this one, but the original version, which goes straight to 18 volts and stays. So they're awesome. They're plug and play. You can run E30 on these Whipple cars. You can get away with a whole lot with them. And I recommend them pretty much on every Whipple install. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and hints from House of Boost, especially on S650s. We own the S650 market. I'm just kidding.